you want to make sure when you're hiring a lawyer, get a lawyer that knows what they're doing. Don't just get someone who tells you they know, ask them. Sometimes you see mediation in what they call pre-suit, before you file a lawsuit, in the claim state. Insurance companies sometimes ask for a mediation, and sometimes they do the right thing and pay on the claim, and sometimes they don't. They'll lowball you, or they try to use the mediation to find out what evidence you have and how you're going to present your case. But in a case where you have mediation, you file the lawsuit, the court will require you in Florida to go to mediation. Now, when you go to a mediation, what happens? What's at the mediation? Defense will try to show why their case is right and why they believe they shouldn't pay on the case, or why they believe they should lowball you, the client, for your injuries. And then afterwards, the plaintiff gets to go again, that would be me, explaining why the defense is wrong and sort of rebutting what they just put on. After that happens, the mediator will then say, wait, we are now done with the presentations and we're going to go into breakout rooms, which they call caucuses. So the plaintiff will go to their breakout room with the plaintiff's attorney and the plaintiff, the person that's injured. The defense will go to their room with the defendant, the person who caused the accident, and the insurance adjuster is going to be in there. So there'll be 3 people in that room. Usually it's the defense lawyer, the defendant, and the defendant's insurance adjuster. Remember, the insurance company is the one with the money. They decide if they're paying or if they're not paying. It's your job as the plaintiff's lawyer to convince them and ensure that they pay your client fair and reasonable compensation for the injuries that your client has gone through. So you want to make sure when you're hiring a lawyer, get a lawyer that knows what they're doing. Don't just get someone who tells you they know, ask them. You're entitled to ask questions. Ask them, when's the last time you went to trial? Insurance companies respect lawyers that went to trial and get good results. Are you board certified? Then ask the next question, why aren't you board certified? And if you are board certified, when did you get board certified? Are you a newly board certified lawyer? Have you been board certified for more than 10 years? How many trials have you had? When was the last time you were in trial? Why don't you ever go to trial? Those are fair questions. That's how you get a better result at mediation. That's how you get a better result in your case. If you have a question and you want your question regarding your case answered, or if you want representation, I'm a board certified civil trial lawyer. I'm here to help you. Feel free to call me.